Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw one of those paper, or it looks like paper cut in Procreate, one of those drawings. So right here is a little palette if you want to screenshot that, if you want to use the same colors as me. Any mono white brush will do. So we're just going to, layer one, we're going to just draw like, it doesn't matter. This is just a quick video to explain the process of how to draw this. And you can get real perfect if you want, but I'm not going to for the sake of the video. Take layer 2, put it under layer 1, go back to the color palette, pick this beige color, and you're just going to kind of, you can kind of go out of the lines or whatever you want. I'm not going to be real picky for the sake of this video, but I could, I could fix it. Say I want it to look a certain way or whatever as I go along. Whoops. You can just fill in color and kind of change it if you want until you get the design that you like. Okay. Let me keep moving along so the video doesn't get too long. Go to another layer, put it behind, go to the color palette, pick this third color, fill it, go to another layer, put it behind here, pick this color, fill it up like that, and throw it in there. Okay, go to another layer, put it behind, third to last color here. We're going to just quickly get this done. I think my son's gonna walk in the door soon, and he's loud. One more color, like that, and then dump the color in, and add another layer. Put it behind, and go to the color wheel, and the last one we're just going to fill. So here, this is what we've got so far. So now, at this point, if you want to go back to like layer 3, you can grab the color. If you want to clean up some of these edges or whatever, you could do that at this point. Clean up if you didn't like something there. You could also like add a little bit of design. Like if I wanted to add, I don't know, some curly cues or, anything you want. This is the time to do it. So you'd go like, let's say, back to one of these layers. I don't know. Even if I go way up into layer 2, I'm going to show you, you do any design you want, and you can literally just draw right on top like that if you want. I got low power mode. I hope my video doesn't, hope I can get this done in time. Okay, I better keep moving. So let me get going. So you can draw anything you want, okay? And then, so now let's get to how these layers work, because I've got, my iPad wants to die on me actually. So all you got to do is sorry about that. What we're going to do is duplicate each layer. Go along in every single layer, duplicate it. Except layer 7, because that's kind of like the back piece of paper. You just don't deal with that part. Okay, so now I'm going to go up to the top, click on black, and I'm going to hit alpha lock, fill layer that fills it black, and then turn off alpha lock. Go to the next one. Alpha lock, fill layer, turn off the alpha lock. You'll see why. Alpha lock, turn off layer, fill layer, turn off alpha lock. Almost done. alpha lock, turn off the, fill the layer and turn off alpha lock. Do it again, fill the layer one last time, because we're not going to do that to layer 7. Oops, I messed that up. Hold on. Do that all over again. Alpha lock, fill layer, turn off alpha lock. All right. I don't know what that little dot is there. I'm just going to leave it. My iPad's getting ready to run out. I have no idea what this is. There's something I probably did. Okay, so now we will go up to the layers and go up to layer 1, go up to adjustments, Gaussian blur, click it to 15%. Around that, anywhere around there, or it can be anything you like. If you like it less or more, then go for it. I'm going to go to each black layer, 15%. Go to each black layer, Gaussian blur, 15%. I just happen to like 15%. Oops, 15%. Okay, and then one more, Gaussian blur. Sorry. So they go like that. And that is pretty much it. There's a lot of stuff we can add to this and textures and all that. Leave me a comment below if you think that you'd like me to make a more in-depth video. I just wanted to show the steps, kind of like how this is made. So we can select. So now we can take all the layers up here. I'm sorry, and select all the black layers. Go along, select them like this, okay? Come through here and then hit the selection tool, and we can move these around a little bit. So if you think that shadow looks better like this or down a little bit, it's up to you. Just mess around with it until you're happy. And that's it. And that's how you get that look. Like I said, I did this very messy, very quick. I just wanted to show these are the basic steps on how to create a paper cut look in Procreate. So please hit that like button if this was helpful to you, and subscribe. I'll be putting up more videos probably on this as well, different things that I do, or maybe I'll draw a full one in detail. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.